So today, I don't know if that is working. Yeah, it's working clearly. And today I want to make things like different because I want to show you, for example, I mean, I don't want to use my the whole thing. So let me do something like quickly. Uh, yeah, I can share this with you. This because what I wanna do first of all is to log in into my account. I don't know if you remember, but this is my personal account, and I developed a application. Well, it's a feature that I developed, so I can tell the users that I am live. Let me copy paste it like the name of it. And this is not what we are developing today, but I just wanted to show you. And when I go to my website, you can see this banner. And one day, when I get more users, like more visitors, they are gonna see this banner every time I live. But this is not a project that we are gonna work today. We are gonna work today in this a application. Remember that we are trying to build an MVP for an application, and we have a Jira, but sadly, I think uh, Jira said that I need to buy it. Like, uh, let me share it with you. Um I don't quite understand, but it's like they are telling me that if I don't add a payment method, my account would be closed. Um, this was the last thing that we developed. The last time we did this, I'm gonna open ChatGPT because I want to update ChatGPT. Because uh, if we don't have this application to track all the activities that we are doing, well, that I'm doing, then it would be hard like to know how much we have done. Uh, um, Let me check with it with ChatGPT. Let me share this tab with you. Let me check if you're watching what I want you to watch. Yes, this is the one that I want you to ask. I'm gonna close this. Um, okay. We already built this. What's next? I would like to develop the front page. What do you think? So right now you are not watching me. Uh, so as you can see, ChatGPT already gave me the next ticket. This is, I mean, we are tracking this because that's part of the work. I like to like have all the stuff like well organized. Um, but it is also important to know that like it, it, in this. moment it doesn't have like um, let me share this instead. um, like as I was saying, uh, you right notified me that my subscription was about to end somehow. I don't know because uh, well, you can see it here. Like I don't know which feature I'm using that it's not part of like the free version of it. But somehow I only have 2 days left, and they are gonna close the uh, yeah. Let's see if I can choose the free version of it. Um, yeah, it seems like I can downgrade the submit and confirm. Let me see if that. Okay. Yeah, it seems like somehow I was trying the premium version of it, but as I told you before, I don't want to spend money on this development because this is only uh, to show you how to develop an application, how organize the work around it, and also how to use uh, codecs and ChatGPT to make it faster. Remember that our goal here is to build as fast as possible this project to launch it to the market and see if that is a product that could be accepted or needed to the needed by the market itself. So we are not, I mean, we are only spending time in our creativity to develop it. So um, let me check. I'm gonna share it with you because I copied the description that ChatGPT shared with me, and but like there's a lot of things that I haven't read. Other thing that make us like I understand that some people ask, for example, why I am using Codex and not, for example, Claude. To be honest, uh, to me, Claude works, but it doesn't work for me as good as ChatGPT or and Codex. I think Codex and ChatGPT are more helpful in terms of understanding what we want to build. Um, it's like it goes a step further, and I know that sometimes going that step further is not the best thing because sometimes they take like a lot of permissions, like they do whatever they want, but somehow that's good when you are missing some part of the problem and obviously of the solution. And to use Claude, it feels like more restrained, and to be honest, it feels dumber sometimes. I developed with both of them, but for example, recently I was rebuilding. I don't know if that's the correct term, but it's like I got the design. The design was made with Claude Design, and I asked the same Claude to convert it to HTML, and it did, but it didn't do it quite well. And then I tried to change the CSS, and it worked, but it didn't work as expected. And then I decided that I wanted to give it a chance to Codex, and with Codex, it works. It was even faster because it's like I'm saying, it's like with ChatGPT, you are like you have like a really good assistant. It's like you have a junior developer, and he understands what you are saying, and it's like for me, it is more complete. But that's just my opinion. That's how I work. I use both, but I like ChatGPT and Codex better. So let's read the description for this new task to see if we agree with what we are going to develop. This page should clearly communicate the core problem of the application, show the basic concept, track, yeah, preparation version action. Okay, yeah, create a public, add a clear product deadline, ensure headline, ensure proposition. Okay, give me the prompt that I should share with Codex so it has the full context to the app and what it does. So I would like to be honest, I'm gonna be honest with you. I know that nobody's watching this, but I would like to have like people watching um uh um I would like to have people here interacting with my video. I know that I am not to that um, moment. I I would think that I need to go to other places like TikTok and then invite people there and develop it. Maybe what I should do is to uh, do the next step, like record shorter videos to TikTok so I can post them there and ask people what should I do next or what should I build next. Maybe I could start this new like phase with my personal website because um, we already know what we want to do with this application. So it's not like I'm gonna ask people what they want to be built, but we can ask uh, for my website and how I could improve. Not how can I improve it, but what should I do next to improve my website. But well, as you can see, I already have the um, the prompt to ChatGPT, and I'm gonna go there and ask ChatGPT. Let me first of all, yeah, this is the one, and this is the project context. Uh, Let me see if I can share it with you. I should share it with you, but sometimes it doesn't work. This is Windows, and it should be. I don't quite understand, to be honest, why I cannot share it with you, but I'm gonna share it with you anyways. I think you are watching it. Like I already share with Codex the context. Um, well, yeah, I did it, but I should have done it using this. Hopefully, it doesn't break. I like to work with Codex in the same repository because I can see if any file is being modified or added. Um, yeah, but sometimes I just forget because I am also working with other stuff like you know uh, sometimes it's just like that. uh, this is more login, register, and run, already run that. So do it. Okay. Now ChatGPT is working on the interface. As I told you, I the best, like the hardest part, I would say, of all this is to have the idea and develop the idea the way you want, uh, and the rest is just you developing thing, uh, like asking ChatGPT to develop. Obviously, it only applies now because this is something that we are. This is an MVP, and we are just trying to see if it's a good idea or it's not a good idea. So it's like we are not selling this to anyone. It is not like something like plan or anything like that. So we can let me yeah. So we can let ChatGPT to do whatever it wants. But if you are working on a real project, that real project has their own like in scope and out of scope, and it needs to have context of the whole project, and that project needs a specific way to be developed. So it's not like you just throw the prompt without reading it, eh, because you won't be able to develop what you want to develop. I use AI every day at work, and I know, I mean, it is more complex than this one. Like I need to give it more detailed information, lead the solution. It's not like this one. Like right now, for example, uh, we are not deciding on how we should uh, show or introduce our idea. It's like I already told ChatGPT what was the idea, what was the goal, and he generated the full thing. It's like I'm not deciding what words to use and which feature to highlight in order to be more appealing to the user or the possible user. So, and those are things that you need to consider when you are working on a real project. Uh, so yeah, that's important to understand, because sometimes y- you can mistakenly I don't I don't quite understand, I don't quite know how to say that, but wrongly I would say, think that you can like throw instruction without like reading them or thinking about them, and ChatGPT, Codex, whichever you decide to use, is gonna find a solution. In order to find a solution, you need to give the right context. So maybe in another video, in another stream, mm, I could show you how I really prompt for a current project, because it's different. Like the way you prompt it, like the way we are prompting for this MVP is different uh, from, for example, my website. Like when I'm developing my website, I don't use uh, I'm not that like carefree. Like what's next, give me the ticket and give me the prompt. Like you need to be more mindful about it. So yes, those are things. I'm just talking about this so we can wait until ChatGPT give me the information. uh, but yes, in general, everything looks good. We are gonna, at the end of it, like when it is ready, we are gonna be able to share it with you, and see the result. of it. Right now, I'm not using my camera. I'm trying to. It's not like I don't like my camera. I'm gonna be 100% honest. I like the camera. I feel comfortable with the camera, but as my camera, it's not giving me the right resolution. It looks with. I mean, it have a bad quality. I I can set my camera, my phone camera, as the camera, but it doesn't look that good, and it's hard to connect it and place it. And I decided, like, these days I just want to record without the camera, so I can go forward and complete the work and also go live, because uh, I want to avoid friction at all cost. So for me, the most important thing here is to go live and to develop this new application and keep a record of it. So it doesn't matter if I am on camera or I am not on camera. The important thing is to complete the tasks. So as you can see, ChatGPT already built the whole thing, and now we are gonna commit it live. Um, this is ready or not, and this is front page, and we are just committing this. And yeah, now that uh, we already did this, I can share with you, like, maybe another screen. Let me share with you, for example, this one. That it doesn't matter, like, I just want to show you something different from the whole screen, because sometimes I just have secret, like, information that I cannot share with you. And yeah, it's better that way. uh, but for this one, well, as I remember, as I recall, I don't need to do like anything in particular. It's just like I need just to be sure that, um yeah, I think, well, let me share with you this another, well, I think I can share it with you. Yes, this is the project that we are working. There's a lot of things happening here. um uh, and you can see, like, the the snapshot, I guess. But if we, let me share with this is how, again, this is how it looks now, like before the changes. And this is what ChatGPT and Codex build. So hopefully, well, yes, you can watch it. Like, it is okay. Like, remember, this is an MVP, and we are just trying to see if this application would be good to be launched. So yeah, it worked, like, and it had, like, the explanation, because I already explained to ChatGPT and to Codex. Um, uh, uh, and yes, I am trying to read uh, this, and I'm really, like, proud of it. It does. I mean, it's like, it's not like the fanciest thing in the world, but it's just, it's good. I like it. Let me see what happens if I click here. Well, because I'm logging. Let me log out, and this is the login. To be honest with you, I don't remember my password, but I'm gonna try. Maybe this is, yeah, this is the one. And here we are building, um, the application. Like here, you are gonna be able to do whatever it says here. Like the flow is this one. It's like you are gonna create the goal, you're gonna record activities, we're gonna classify the word and see the balance. uh, yes, that's what we are gonna do with this project. I just wanted to do this because now it looks like if somebody else is like visiting my site and I can show you how I'm building this application, it would be better to have like this with the explanation of it and not just like a simple page. uh, as you can see, uh, it looks good. It looks attractive. Like if I am reading this, I could say like, well, it has potential, but I am not the one to take those decisions. I just wanted to do this. I already did this, so I think we're good to go. Tomorrow would be we will be sorry, we will be building uh, the first part of the application itself, but i- overall it looks good. Now, in this domain, you can see my app, and in this one, you can see my website. Uh, both are ready. I'm gonna make some changes here, and yeah, I think we are good to go. I just wanted like this is for next time when I'm working with my personal website. I said that I wanted to add reCAPTCHA here, and also maybe I should be thinking about improving it so I can be discovered. Like I need to do some SEO here. But yes, I'm really happy with the result, like with the app front page result. Obviously, uh, it's. I mean, we are not fooling anyone. This is generic. It's good. It's generic. And obviously, if you are wanting to launch something like this, you need to have at least one person that works with marketing and know how to sell this kind of stuff. Let me check something like really quick because I wanted, yeah, this is what I wanted. I didn't check how it looks on mobile, but it looks fine and it loads fast. I would make changes, but as I already told you, this is just for this is just for an MVP. So we are not refining the idea that much. It's like we wanted just the necessary to launch the first version of our project. So we are good to go. Remember that I'm live and that you can see that I'm live. Well, maybe I can like go offline now because yeah, remember that that I developed this feature so I can notify if I'm live. And as I am no longer live, like yeah, live, you don't see the banner here. But well, it's good. It's all for today. Today was a good day because we could develop the application a little bit further, and tomorrow will be building the 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 app itself. Like I would say that the next step is to create the forms, and after that, maybe we will do a session for finding a solution to connect some AI agent so it can read the information and classify it. I need to think about that. But yes, I guess next session with this project would be to create the form, and you will be able to add the the goal and the task, And so far, I mean, it won't be, it won't do anything more than that right now. But then the next step would be to connect it to a AI agent. I don't know. I need to investigate so it can classify and see how much of it is preparation and how much of it is real action. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. I don't know. I know that you are not watching it, but thank you.